My sinuses have been crazy for like a week, so I just got this in the mail today, used it for the first time, blown away by the results. Definitely a fan of this. And let me show you what it is. I didn't want to do a video doing it because it's like kind of gross to watch someone do that. But here's what you get. So this is the top, actually it becomes the bottom part, and there's like a little filter in here so that it's like super sanitary, which is really good. And then you fill this up with warm water, about 8 ounces. You get 30 of these packets, and then you can use 1 to 2 packets. You start out with 1 and you can use 2. So once you fill it up, then you just twist it on. You're gonna shake it, and then it just goes up your nostril, but you're like keeping it vertical. So you're not like tipping back or anything like that. You're just kind of leaning over your sink, and you squeeze this, the water goes up and out and flushes all the gunk and gross stuff out. And then you do the other nostril. It's completely painless, so easy. You can use it on ages 4 and up. In fact, I was thinking next time my 4-year-old has a congestion or sinus stuff, I'm totally going to try this with her. I think she's going to actually not be scared of it and be able to use this. So definitely recommend it. This is what it looks like with the girl doing it. And it's got all the safety features in place. It was really easy to clean afterwards. Highly recommend. I've tried other things before, and this one was the easiest I've ever tried.